Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. McAdam is a village in southwestern New Brunswick, located in York County near the border with the state of Maine. It sits about 80 kilometers southwest of Fredericton and is surrounded by forests, lakes, and rolling hills. Today, McAdam has a population of just over 1,000 people, making it one of New Brunswick's smaller communities. Despite its modest size, the village has an important place in Canadian railway history and remains known for its impressive historic railway station. Long before European settlement, the forests and waterways around McAdam were part of the traditional territory of the Wolastoqey people. Rivers and lakes provided important travel routes for hunting, fishing, and trade. During the 19th century, settlers gradually arrived in the region as logging and railway construction opened up the interior of southwestern New Brunswick. The community itself developed because of one industry more than any other: the railway. McAdam was named after John McAdam, one of the early leaders of the European and North American Railway. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the village became one of the busiest railway junctions in Atlantic Canada. Trains traveling between St. John, Fredericton, Montreal, Halifax, and the northeastern United States all passed through McAdam. At its peak, thousands of passengers and railway workers moved through the station every week, and the village grew into a thriving transportation hub. One of McAdam's greatest landmarks is the McAdam Railway Station. Completed in 1905, the station is widely considered one of the finest surviving railway stations in Canada. Built in an elegant chateau-style design, it features impressive stonework, decorative wood interiors, and spacious waiting rooms that reflected the importance of rail travel during the early 20th century. The arrival of the railway transformed the local economy. Hundreds of residents found work operating trains, maintaining tracks, repairing locomotives, loading freight, and serving passengers. Hotels, restaurants, stores, and other businesses grew around the station to support railway workers and travelers. For many decades, nearly every family in McAdam had some connection to the railway industry. As rail travel gradually declined during the second half of the 20th century, McAdam adapted to changing economic conditions. Forestry became one of the area's largest employers, supported by the vast forests that surround the village. Logging, wood harvesting, trucking, and forest management continue to provide jobs throughout the region. The nearby forests also support outdoor recreation, hunting, fishing, and tourism. Housing in McAdam is among the most affordable in New Brunswick. Average home prices generally range between $150,000 and $250,000, depending on the property's size, condition, and location. Larger homes on spacious lots or waterfront properties may sell for more, but overall, the village offers relatively inexpensive housing compared with many other parts of Canada. Although McAdam is no longer the busy railway junction it once was, it continues to celebrate its remarkable history while embracing its natural surroundings. The historic railway station, extensive forests, and affordable lifestyle make it a unique destination in New Brunswick. watching.